Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to set up a schedule refresh in Dataflows. So let's get started. Okay, so to set up a schedule refresh in Dataflow, we will have to go to our Power BI service and see how we can do that. So I'm into Power BI service, and now let us go and see our workspaces. In our workspace, we have testing data flow, and we have created our first data flow in our previous video. So if you haven't checked it, I will provide the link in the description box and you can go and view that video as well. Now a data flow has been set and that has been connected to an Excel file. And now if that Excel file gets new data, that data should reflect into the data flow that we have created. So for that, what we will have to do is create a refresh option in data flow, and that is what a schedule refresh is. So if you don't know what a schedule refresh is, we have already created a video on it. I will provide the link below and you can go and watch that video as well. Now to create a schedule refresh, what we will have to do is go to this option. Now if you have multiple data flows, so what you can do is go to the data flow that you want to have a schedule refresh for. I have only one, so I'll just go to this more option and click on settings. Once I click on setting, it will give me the settings for that particular data flow. Now I have a gateway connection installed. Okay, now that is the data source credentials I have, and now we have an option which says refresh. I will just go and click on refresh. Now this is turned off. What I'll do is just click on it and on that schedule refresh. Now it is asking for the frequency. Select the frequency. I want this to be updated weekly. Let's select the time zone. For now, I will just keep the time zone as okay. I want my data flow to be refreshed every Friday, and let me add the time. Every Friday at 11 p.m. Okay, at night my data flow should be refreshed. And if I want a failure, if the data flow is not refreshed successfully due to XYZ reason, it is failed, I want the data flow owner to get a notification stating that the refresh is failed. Okay, or if I want to add any of the other people from the organization, I can do it by just clicking this. Okay, now it is pretty much similar to the schedule refresh that we do for our data sets. Okay, so yes, go and click on apply. Once you go and click on apply, what will happen is your data flow refresh will be scheduled for every week Friday at 11 p.m. Okay, now let us go and go to the data flow and check whether the schedule refresh has been set. So yes, the schedule refresh has been set for the next refresh will be scheduled on this particular date. Okay. All right. So yes, that's all about in today's video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.